Hi, welcome my dear kids for Adas Vidyalaya online class. Standard 2nd, subject Environmental Science, term 1, unit 1, topic our environment. Dear kids, look at this boy. His name is Daniel. Daniel explained about forest and their uses. Shall we recall it once again? Okay, come let's recall. Forest, an area where trees have grown naturally for centuries. It's called forest. Look at this picture. It is plains. Let's come and welcome our new friend Tarun. He is coming from plains area. What is plains? A plain is a flatland area. It is warmer than the hills. Look at this picture. What they are doing? Yes, you're very correct. They are growing crops. Farming is a process of working the ground, planting seeds and growing edible plants. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. Plains are important for growing crops. Without growing crops, how can we get our food? Yes, we cannot get our food. Farms get water from the rain. Rain is water falling in drops condensed from vapor in the atmosphere. Water that has fallen as rain is called the rainwater. We get water from rivers, lakes, ponds, and wells. We find many animals like bullock, cow, goat, buffalo, and many kinds of birds like dove, parrot, and so on. Look at the pictures of birds. He likes to watch the birds. My dear kids, look there. It is Kamakshi. Kamakshi is going to join with us. She is live in the hills. She is going to explain about the place where she lived. Hills. A hill is like a mountain, but not so high. Hills are generally green and beautiful. Look at this picture. What is this plant? This is hill. Look as if steps have been made on it. Crops are grown in the step forms, also called as terrace forms. Tea and coffee are grown on some hills. Dear kids, look at this picture. The train is moving in the mid of the hills. It's look very beautiful. It started journey from Mettupalayam to Ooty. It is a very old train. Speciality of the train is it is still running in the steam engine. Do you know who is Queen of Hills? Yes, very good. The answer is Udakamandalam. It is located in the Nilgiri district. Who is the Princess of Hills? Yes, you're correct. The answer is Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal, the prince of hill stations. It is located in the Dindigul district. People visit the hill stations especially in summer. The next one we are going to see one picture. Find out what is it. I give one clue. It is our state animal. Yeah, you're very correct. Our state animal is Nilgiri Tar. Nilgiri Tar is found in the hill mountains. In hills areas, roads are like this only. This is called the hairpin bends. Now we are going to do one activity. Fill in the columns with the given words. The words are cool, tea, flat, step farms, warm, sugarcane, hill station, coffee, high, crops. These words are related to plain and hills. You have to differentiate and fill it in the correct column. Plains, flat, warm, sugarcane, crops. Hills, the words are cool, tea, step farms, hill station, coffee, high. I know you will finish your answer in the correct way. Now look there. Who is coming? It is Sulaiman. He would like to speak about the pond in his village. A pond is a place where water collects. It gets filled by rain. Flowers like water lily and lotus are also found in the pond. Fishes, insects, snakes, frogs, crabs and turtles are live in a pond. Look at these pictures. Bullock, cows and buffaloes are living near the pond. People collect the water from the pond. This is the picture of the pond. Another activity. Look at this picture and try to draw the fish. Look there. Sultana is coming. Sultana lives in the house which is near to the river. She loved to watch the river flowing. River. It starts with a journey on a mountain, flows a path and finally flows into the sea. Look at the picture of the sea. This is the place where river mixed with the sea. Many kinds of fishes, crabs and birds live in the pond in and around the river. We use river water in many ways. Because of these olden days, people lived near rivers. Dear kids, look at this picture. What they are doing? Yes, they are racing boat. Boat races happen lot in India. The Kerala is the place which famous for boat race. Sultana's brothers like to participate in the boat race. Let's recall the topic. Yes, my dear kids. Today we learned about plains, hills, pond and rivers. Today's homework. Roman letter 1, match the following. The questions are desert, plains, forest, pond. Options are lion, camel, fish, cow. Now match the followings. The correct answer are desert camel, plain cow, forest lion and pond fish. Roman letter 2. Write true or false. Question number 1. Step farming is done in the hills. The answer is true. Question number 2. The horse is called the sheep of the desert. The answer is true. Lions and tigers are found in the forest. The answer is true. The last one, a forest has a sand dunes. The answer is false. Now we are moving to the next. Classify the following words into forest, pond and deserts. Words are camel, duck, tiger, cactus, sand, fish, elephant, water, lotus, deer, tree. The answers are forest, tiger, elephant, deer and tree. Pond, duck, fish, water, lotus. Desert, camel, cactus, sand. Today's your homework is do this. Roman letter 1, 2, 3. Read and write one time. I hope you all are understood the topic. Eagerly waiting to see you in the next class. Your next topic is Journey of a River, Sea and Deserts. Thank you so much for watching this video.